Hi friends, I'm back. And today we are going to do a Tarte haul and get ready with me and put on makeup. So that's why I look like this. The beauty of makeup you're going to see right before your very eyes. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you're not subscribed already, what is wrong with you? I have so many great ideas. Look at all my other videos and get ready to have a great day. Stay positive and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So Tarte, this is the box I got from Tarte. Tarte, be your own kind of beautiful. How adorable is this box with like this, great leaf pattern. Share how you rethink natural and beauty that works and beauty that's good for you. Okay, love all that. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Tartelette, okay, this is the OG Tartelette in Bloom. And I'm just gonna put on the eyeshadow real quick for you. And then I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, so they have, now Tarte is known for their Shape Tape, okay? #1 under eye concealer in the world, okay? So get ready for this. And you're gonna love this, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this little light shade right here. Now, again, these are principles. I'm gonna do a makeup look that's every day that you can use whenever and just follow what I do and it's really quick and easy. So we're just gonna put this all over the lid. Now I did put a primer on and I actually put on, actually it's drugstore, it's not from Tarte, but it's Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer. Anyways, so you just put this light color all over the lid, just like this. So easy, right? Okay, step 2, Jet Setter. So this is the color right next to it, right here. That's called Jet Setter. And you just take a fluffy brush and you just put that in the crease, okay? So just like this, put that in the crease. So easy. And this brush, actually, what is this? Okay, Morphe. This is my Morphe M502. And I love this so much. So you just take and put that all in the crease, just like that. Right? How easy is that? But what I also like to do is I take a little of that same color and I put it just right under my eye, right like that. Oh, and you know what? Take your banana clip and get that hair right out of your face. Okay, so again, that same shade goes right at your lash line, right under, and I use kind of more of like a smaller, brush that's smaller on the tip for that. Okay, then the part of the eye that you did not put that is this one right here. This is a shimmer shade and it's called Rocker. And that shimmer shade goes right here, right in the middle right here. Great little shimmer shade right there. Put that right there. Love that. Okay, then you take this dark color here and then we're gonna do a little eyeliner with it. Now, okay, I love, this is MAC 200 brush. Okay, it's really small and the bristles are really tight. And we're just gonna take this right now and we're gonna make a little eyeliner. Look at that. It's like a faux eyeliner, just with a shadow. How great is that? And you just kind of wing it out a little on the end. And, okay, ready? Just wing it out, just like that. See that? That gives it a little wing. So you do that, okay? And then I just put just a tiny little bit on the lower part, just right at the lash line, okay? Right that, just like that. Then, for your highlight in your corner is this amazing shade up here in the corner called Funny Girl. And we are just going to do the corners right there. Look at that, how brightening is that? Hello. And the brow bone. Okay, how great is that? Now, here's where the Tarte Shape Tape, now this is the full size Tarte Shape Tape comes in because look at those dark circles under my eyes. Watch them go bye-bye. This is what they're known for. This is their amazing, and I put a little here because I always get a little red down there. Okay, so then I always say my kitty paw because this looks like a little kitty paw. And I take that and I just, look at that. How great is that? And that just takes away any fallout brightens it, gets rid of those dark circles, and you're welcome. And then again, I put a little right here. And then sometimes I get a little red right here under my nose. And then I like to brighten up right here. Okay, just like that. Hello. How great is that? Okay, so that's it with that. Then, moving on, Tarte. If you don't know about Maneater, yes, please. I'm gonna put this mascara on right now. It's a little dramatic, but it separates. It's not too clumpy. Love Maneater so much. And I'm gonna list everything down below. But how great is that? So just put a little mascara on, just like that. And this is like, again, this is an everyday look. Going out, going to the grocery store. It's COVID. We don't want anything too complicated, but we feel better about ourselves when we put on makeup, right? Okay, so keeping on with my haul. They have, I'm gonna put a little Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat pencil on, because I do love this pencil and it's like a natural. I don't have a Tarte pencil, but if you do have one, list it below. And then look at this though. Okay, so this is one of their collections. It's called, what is it called? Oh, here we go. Rainforest of the Sea. So it's all kind of like mermaidy, like they have a whole collection. This is their H2O gloss in Private Island. Yes, please. How gorgeous is the packaging? But look at this, ready? How great. And by the way, it tastes like vanilla, probably like Tahitian vanilla. Gorgeous, love that. Got a little right there, but there we go. Okay, so moving on with Tarte. Also, they have this Amazonian clay collection, and it looks like this. And they have a whole collection. So Rainforest is a collection of theirs. Amazonian clay is a collection. So this I'm gonna use for my bronzer. And this is shape Shimmer and Shake. Love that, Shimmer and Shake. So I'm gonna put that on. Okay, oh yeah, I love that. Okay, look at the difference already. Like instant facelift. So I'm just gonna take this is actually my Urban Decay, I think, brush, but I love this angled brush for and I've been doing, I know I've talked to you about the 3, but lately I've been trying to do a little higher than my normal Follow the Hollow, because it's just lifting. And folks, I'm 51. I need all the lifting I can get, let me tell you. So then you follow the jawline, and again, this is like an optical illusion. Don't love my neck, so you pull it down, and it makes it more like, defined. And then I do like to put a little just up here where the sun would hit it, right? How great is that? Okay, thank you, Tarte. Okay, moving on. I just ordered this, and I've never used it, so we are gonna literally see if we like this. This is their Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel. So it looks like this in the package, and we're just gonna try this right now. Okay, so I just like to fill it in right here. And I do like the color. I think this would be good for blondes because it's like a light taupey color. So I do like the color. Okay, yeah, I would recommend this. Okay, I did put a little gel on, eyebrow gel first. So that's the only thing I have on my eyebrows. But yeah, look at this. Okay, no, I like this. Okay, this I do like. What do you think? And it's not too dramatic. It is, again, this is like I'm going for an everyday look. Yeah, I like that. Okay, then what is this part? So this must be, oh yeah, so this is the gel part. So it's 2-in-1. Pencil and then like a tinted brow gel. So you finish it off with this, just like this. Oh yeah, okay, love that. So easy. You know what? I might put this in my overnight bag because it's kind of 2-in-1. It's got the color and the setter. Okay, do love that. Now then I ordered something super fun. Okay, so I had gotten this glitter, this palette that had glitter in it, and I'm just gonna tell you, it's Too Faced, and it's their Pretty Rich palette, okay? How gorgeous are these colors? But to see these 4 glitters, I'm like, how do you put glitter on? Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. You know what you do? You get glitter glue. Glitter. So I ended up buying, this was Party Pink Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is a lid popper. So basically it's glitter and adhesive. So it has the adhesive on the top. Okay, check this out. Okay, right? So you take a little bit of this and you put it on your lid. Now this is turning day to night, obviously. This is a little dramatic, day to night. So you put a little of that adhesive on there, and then you open up here, and the glitter, look at the glitter. See the glitter inside there? How cool is that? So you put a little glitter on your brush, and it'll stick to the adhesive. How cool is that, right? So there you go. That's how you do glitter on your eyes. How great is that? How fun is that? Okay, just a little fun. So I thought I'd have a little fun with it. And then, what else? Okay, then, oh, I wanted to tell you, I'm gonna end on this, that Tarte, okay, the Shape Tape, it's their go-to. It's my favorite thing about Tarte, is their Shape Tape. But this is the normal size, and this is like the sample size, like, hello, it's a lot tinier. But if you don't want to buy the whole thing, you just want to try it out, they always are selling like the sample sizes like at Sephora and Ulta, like at the checkout stand. So just grab one of those. It's like half the price, and it's great. And then you have to check the color, like this is light medium, this one, and then this one is, oh no, that, yeah. So you just have to check the color. If you feel like you're light medium, if you feel like you're darker, lighter, do check the color. But I want to show you the website. So right here, it's the America's #1 brand, Tarte. So the tape shape and Shape Tape is normally $27, but a lot of times they'll have promotions like 20% off site wide or whatever. And the Maneater, here's the Maneater, the one I had, it's $23. So just giving you, and it's free shipping, says right on, and returns. So free shipping and returns. And I hope you like that. Okay, I have a little word of the day. So I have like this, words of the day. Worry does not empty tomorrow of its sorrow. It empties today of its strength. Love that, by Corrie ten Boom. She wrote the book, The Hiding Place. She helped many Jews escape the Holocaust by hiding them in her house. Love her, love that quote. So please don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. There's always hope. There's always a reason to get up in the morning. I know it's crazy times, and just have a little fun. Buy a little makeup. Go to Sephora, go to Ulta, order online. Like, just make the best of it. Make lemonade out of lemons. Stay positive. Love God and love others. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.